Good morning, everybody. So today I have my coffee, finally. I had coffee after yesterday's video too. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I make my fruit parfait. I usually do it with my yogurt. Today, I'm not feeling it. I haven't been feeling well for some reason, like for all day yesterday and today, this morning. I woke up with a really bad headache, and it just, coffee doesn't take it away, Tylenol doesn't take it away. So I don't know what's going on there, but what's going on here is I'm making the kids a yogurt parfait, and it's really simple. You can add whatever ingredients that you like to it or what you have. We have apples, and I have a little bit of strawberry Greek yogurt here for the kids. I'm just going to add the apples to it. And of course I'm using all the grease that I possibly can, you know, like dropping apples everywhere. Okay, and then I have them right here in the bowl. And that's a little cinnamon going over the top. And I top it with some, just a little bit of peanuts. You can use whatever nut you would like, or not use nuts if you don't like them. I get it. I just sprinkle little nuts in there, and we just stir it up. I'm going to try to get this all in the camera at the same time as trying to stir it up. I noticed yesterday the eggs were kind of out of frame as I was cooking them. It's a little different doing this one-handed, but we will try. So I am going to bring in somebody that I used to do this all the time. Yeah, the apple core is right there. And I'm going to bring in a taste tester. So Bailey, come here. And she will give you an opinion on what she thinks of this. There's Bailey.
Hello.
She'll be 11 years old in about a week. They grow up quick. What do you think, kid? Yeah, and the one in back is Izzy's. So.
It's very good.
Okay.
It tastes like something in summer because of the yogurt and the fruit, but it's really good.
Well, with the warm weather, it kind of feels like summer or spring out there, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's like something you should enjoy if you're really hungry.
Okay. So that's the video today, guys. This is fruit and nut parfait. And again, if you don't like nuts, you can definitely leave them out, substitute them for something else. But until tomorrow, guys, live, laugh, and love.